Updating your legal name on SmartyDNS is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SmartyDNS website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find name update option. Look for an option that allows you to edit your personal details, specifically your name. This may be labeled as edit profile or update name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Some platforms may require you to enter your name exactly as it appears on legal documents. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the update. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to complete the process. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name should be updated on SmartyDNS. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.